Credit Card Secrets the Banks Don't Want You to Know, 2025 Guide. Credit cards are everywhere promoted as tools for convenience, rewards, and financial flexibility. But behind the slick marketing campaigns and flashy sign-up bonuses, banks are running one of the most profitable businesses on earth, and they're counting on most consumers to fall into traps they never talk about. This guide exposes the credit card secrets banks don't want you to know, helping you flip the script and use credit to your advantage rather than becoming a lifelong profit source for the system. Left-pointing magnifying glass: why banks love credit cards. Credit cards are one of the most profitable products for banks. In 2024 alone, U.S. banks earned over $130 billion from interest charges, annual fees, late payment fees, foreign transaction fees, merchant processing fees. That's because most cardholders don't use their credit cards wisely, and banks make it confusing on purpose. 1. Interest is the real business model. Banks advertise rewards, cashback, and perks. But their true moneymaker? Interest. Here's how it works. You spend $2,000. You pay the minimum balance, say $50. The bank charges 20% plus APR on the remaining $1,950. That's $390 plus per year in interest on just 1 month's worth of spending. Now multiply that by millions of cardholders. You're looking at a $1 trillion scheme built on delayed payments. White heavy check mark: what banks don't want you to know. If you pay in full every month, you never owe interest even with a high APR. Minimum payments are a trap. They're designed to keep you in debt for years. Hack: set auto-pay to pay your full statement balance each month. Treat your credit card like a debit card. Lock 2. The true cost of the minimum payment. Banks legally only require you to pay 13% of your balance as the minimum. But that's strategic. It stretches out your debt over years, letting interest accumulate silently. Electric light bulb: real example. You owe $5,000 at 20% APR. You pay only the $125 minimum each month. It'll take over 22 years to pay off and cost over $10,000 in interest. White heavy check mark: what banks don't want you to know. The minimum payment is not a suggestion, it's a revenue strategy. Banks count on you to think, "I'm managing it," while they slowly drain your wallet. Hack: always pay more than the minimum, ideally the full statement balance, to destroy the interest cycle. 3. Credit utilization can make or break your score. One of the biggest components of your credit score is credit utilization, the percentage of your credit limit you're using. Even if you pay on time, maxing out your cards kills your score. White heavy check mark: what banks don't want you to know. Keeping your usage under 30% is the industry rule. Keeping it under 10% will supercharge your credit score. Some banks report utilization based on the statement date, not your due date. Hack: pay your card before the statement closing date to keep your utilization low even if you plan to pay in full later. Money bag: 4. Credit card rewards favor the rich. Cashback, travel points, and sign-up bonuses sound great, but they're part of a game built for high spenders with great credit. While these perks are real, they come with conditions. Minimum spend requirements to earn bonuses. Rewards optimized for categories like travel, dining, and luxury. People with low income or bad credit often get cards with no perks and high fees. White heavy check mark: what banks don't want you to know. Rewards are often funded by those who carry balances and pay interest. The system works best for those who spend a lot but never pay interest. Hack: use high reward cards for planned expenses only. Meet spend requirements with existing bills, not with impulse spending. Bank 5. Banks can change terms at any time. That 0% intro APR or low balance transfer fee you signed up for, it can vanish quickly. They can raise your APR, with 45 days notice. They can shut down your account without warning. They can reduce your credit limit after a late payment or even just inactivity. White heavy check mark. What banks don't want you to know. They don't need a reason to cut your credit line or close your card. Doing so can hurt your credit score due to decreased available credit. Hack: use every card at least once every 3-6 months. Set small recurring bills, like Netflix or Spotify, to each one to keep them active. 6. Balance transfers can backfire. Balance transfer offers like 0% APR for 18 months are tempting. But many users get trapped when they don't pay off the balance before the promo period ends. They don't understand the balance transfer fee, typically 3-5%. They make new purchases, which may not be covered by the promo. White heavy check mark. What banks don't want you to know. If you don't read the fine print, you could end up with retroactive interest. Paying just the minimum during the 0% period won't get you out of debt. Hack: divide the transferred balance by the promo months and set that as your monthly payment. Avoid using that card for new purchases. Credit card. 7. Hidden fees are everywhere. While banks advertise no annual fee, they sneak in charges through late payment fees, $30, $40. Returned payment fees, cash advance fees, and higher APRs. Foreign transaction fees. Over-limit fees, if you opt in. White heavy check mark. What banks don't want you to know. You can negotiate or waive fees if you catch them and ask. Many people don't notice small charges and never dispute them. Hack: set text/email alerts for all charges. Review your statements monthly. And call to reverse fees. Banks often waive one-time charges if you're a loyal customer. 8. Pre-approved means nothing. Getting your pre-approved letter feels good, but it doesn't mean you'll actually be approved. Banks send these offers based on soft credit pulls, which don't see everything in your profile. White heavy check mark. What banks don't want you to know. A pre-approval is not a guarantee. Applying can still hurt your score with a hard inquiry. If your debt-to-income ratio is too high, you'll be rejected even with a great credit score. Hack: use card match tools or call the issuer before applying to get a sense of your approval odds. Avoid applying for multiple cards in a short span. Closed lock with key. 9. You have more power than you think. Here's a secret: banks need you more than you need them, especially if you have decent credit and use your card responsibly. That means you can ask for late fee reversals. Negotiate your APR, especially if your score has improved. Request a credit limit increase to lower utilization. Downgrade cards to avoid annual fees without closing the account. White heavy check mark. What banks don't want you to know. You don't have to accept every term or change. You can transfer balances, downgrade cards, or close accounts strategically to work in your favor. Hack: every 6 months, call and ask. Can you lower my interest rate? Can you offer me a retention bonus? Can I upgrade/downgrade this card? Bullseye: how to beat the system. If you want to use credit cards like the banks use them against you, follow these golden rules. White heavy check mark. 1. Pay your statement in full every month. Avoids all interest, keeps you debt-free, and still earns rewards. White heavy check mark. 2. Keep your utilization under 10%. Boosts your score and shows you're a low-risk borrower. White heavy check mark. 3. Use cards strategically for rewards. Use the right card for dining, travel, groceries, etc., to earn max rewards. White heavy check mark. 4. Monitor credit reports and scores. Errors happen. Check your report at least 3x per year, free at annualcreditreport.com. White heavy check mark. 5. Never spend to earn rewards. If you spend $1,000 you didn't need to just to earn $100 in points, you lost $900. Bonus tips most people don't know. Authorized user trick: add a family member with no credit to your oldest card. It builds their score without risk, as long as you pay on time. Product change loophole: Don't cancel old cards, downgrade them to no annual fee versions to keep your account age intact. Reward stacking, use your credit card and shopping portals and cashback sites for triple rewards. Credit freeze, protect your identity by freezing your credit with all three bureaus. It doesn't affect your score and prevents fraud. Checkered flag. Final thoughts, play the game, don't be played. Banks have built an empire on our ignorance, distractions, and poor financial habits. But if you understand the system, you can flip the dynamic and start making money off of them instead. You don't need to be rich to win at the credit card game. You just need to be disciplined. Know the rules they hide in fine print. And take action that benefits you, not the bank's bottom line. Use your cards as tools, not crutches, and you'll find yourself flying for free, earning cash back, building wealth, and sleeping well at night.